Hi everyone, this VZ Pro 3 channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through how to watch recently watched reels on Instagram on iPhone. Although Instagram doesn't have a dedicated watch history for reels like YouTube or TikTok does, sometimes the Explore page may still show content similar to what you recently engaged with, especially if you liked, commented, or paused on them. To know the steps, let's get started. First, if you remember liking the reel, you're in luck. Here's how to find it. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap the three horizontal lines on top right corner. Choose your activity. Then select Likes. This will show you a chronological list of all the posts and reels you've liked, including reels. Scroll through and you might just find the one you're looking for. You can also select by date. You can select all dates, past week, past month, past year, or date range. If you want to be more specific, click DT range, select start date, and then select end date. And you can click apply. Or you can also sort from newest to oldest or oldest to newest. Second, if you left a comment on the reel, here's how to find it. In the same Your Activity menu, then tap Comments. Here, you'll see all the posts you've commented on, again, including reels. Tap the one you recognize to watch it again. Last, if you saved the reel, awesome! You can access your saved content easily. Go back to your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right, select Saved. Open the folder named All Posts or a custom folder if you organized your saved items. Your saved reels will appear alongside saved photos and videos. Tap to view. So next time you see a reel you like, don't forget to save it, like it, or share it with yourself so it's easier to find later. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, or share it with someone who's lost in the reel rabbit hole too.